off, the robot turns off and it stops moving and it stops detecting light. Let's see what this looks like on the robot. So first we're going to turn the robot on, and what you'll see is that it immediately starts going at top speed because it's seeking out more light. So when it gets enough light, it stops, which shows love of light. And then if the light starts to dim, it starts moving back because it wants more light. The darker it gets, the faster the robot goes. So once again, the more light I bring, eventually when it's basking in the light or love of light, the robot stops. But as I take the light away, the robot starts moving to top speed.